Okay, second grade, now I'm going to show you how to create your chart in Google Docs. So here we go. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to go to Google. Okay, and you want to make sure you're logged in. If you're not logged in, you need to log in with your school email and your lunch number as the password. Then when you get on here, we're going to go to the Google Apps. That's the 9 squares. That's what I call it. And you're going to go to Drive. Okay, I always like to send you to Drive. Then we're going to go ahead and click on New. Now you can make a folder and call it Media Work, or you can just click on New and then click on Google Docs. I already have a folder, so I'm going to make this in this folder. So Remote Learning Media. So once you're inside of something, if you go ahead and push, if you want to put it in a folder, if you make a new folder and you want to put this in a folder, then you have to push the folder, open the folder, and then click on New. New Google Docs, and then just click blank document. That's fine. Now, when you get on, here at the top, you're going to call this 3 branches of government. Okay. And then we're going to put in a table. Now, we need 4 by 5. 4 by 5. All right. Questions is going to be this one at the top. If you want to center your things, then you go over here and align to the center. See that? Okay. Now, then you're going to put all the names in here. Whoops. And we'll align all those center. Now, just for the sake of having some color and to help you break this chart up just a tad, we're going to add some text color to each of these sections. So, let's see, legislative branch will be red. You don't have to keep yours the same. You could pick whichever colors you want for this. Executive is going to be blue, and judicial branch will be purple. All right? And the questions we're just going to leave as black. So we want to include the questions in this. So the first question is, how long is the term for the members of the branch? Okay? So you will put the answer in here. I'm going to give you this one to show you how I want you to do this. So go ahead and change the color. So make sure you capitalize. Okay, so there's the answer for that one. For this one, okay, the president serves a 4-year term. And for the judicial branch, let me make it purple. Okay, so you will answer all 4 of your questions from your information, and then you will put them in this chart using those different colors. When you're finished, I want you to share this. So here's how you're going to do that. You're going to click on share. You're going to add people. You're going to type my name in. So as soon as you type AR, there I am. Okay. And then you're going to type in your teacher's name. All right. And you're going to type in a message like, here is my 3 branches of government chart. And then you push send. I'm going to send a note to Misty Lab that says, this is only an example for kids disregard. Send. Okay? So now it says people added up here at the top. You see that? And what happens is we get an email. I'm going to show you. There it is. Came up on my screen and y'all can see it right there. Amy Ralph via Google Docs has invited you to edit the following document. So I get an email that tells me that you have sent me this information. Okay? And we're going to count this as a grade for 2nd grade students. You also need to do this so you can practice learning how to do Google Docs, because as we go up in grade levels, we're going to use Google Docs to make things for class. So you need to know how to do this. That's it for this week. We'll see you next week.